Hello everyone, I am Francisco S. Roblo, one of the representatives from our group in ITC 111. Today we were gonna teach you on how to install Windows 10 in VirtualBox. So before we start, I just want to remind you that this video is only for our group project in ITC 111. First, we need to open the Microsoft Edge and search the Windows 10 download. So just click this and find the Create Windows 10 Installation Media. You need to scroll down to find it. If you find the Create Windows 10 Installation Media, press Download Now. And when it finished downloading, search the VirtualBox and also download it, because at VirtualBox we will do the Windows 10 Media installation. So after you downloaded that, we gonna need to open the VirtualBox. Then click the new and follow what I've done here. So after that, you're gonna need to find the Windows 10 that you downloaded. So as you can see, there's an error. First thing you're gonna need to do is to set the ISO image to other, and then press that downloaded Windows 10 and then next. And after that, you're gonna set up your username and password. And after you set up your username and password, you're gonna next thing to do is to press the next button. After that, you will set the disk size from 4 megabyte to 2 terabyte. So we set our disk size to 12.72 gigabyte, then press next and finish. After pressing the finish, it will automatically goes into this, and you will wait until this finish.
2,000 years later.
So after that, you will automatically get into it, and you will also wait for it to finish downloading.
One eternity later.
So after it finishes installing, you're already done. You only need to do is to wait until it's really done.
One eternity later.
So yun, after a year na paghihintay, eto na.